Yeah,
Right.
obviously.
Yeah.
Like Amazon original Jack Clancy's, John Clancy's?
Tom Clancy.
Yeah, right.
Jack Ryan. Yeah.
Yeah, I love that.
He's the best.
Yeah,
So,
that's great.
we do a John Krasinski scene.
Alright, great. I'll go get changed into my John Cincy.
Okay, well actually, I'll be Krasinski. You can be one of the terrorists.
Why would you be John Krasinski?
Alright, we have the same bone structure.
What are you doing? Look at your nose. Do you know how tall John Krasinski is?
6'3", of course I know
Yeah.
that.
Do you know how tall I am?
You're 6'1", it doesn't matter.
I'm 6'2.5". That's basically the same thing.
Okay, you know where he went to school?
Yeah, Brown.
Brown?
Yeah.
Exactly.
And he majored in English.
My mom's English teacher. My mom's English teacher.
Yeah, well, your mom's not auditioning for Krasinski.
Okay, well, still puts me closer.
Megan!
Which
one of us?
Who's Krasinski?
Who's Krasinski?
We cut this scene.
What?
We actually cut this scene.
What are you talking about?
We cut this, guys. We cut the Krasinski scene.
Yeah.
Wait.
Alright.
Okay.
If it was still in,
If it was still in,
who would be Krasinski? Who would be John Krasinski? Like, it would be.
It's obvious.
Okay, you're saying, okay, you want to talk hypothetically about a cut scene.
Yeah, it was still.
It's in the middle of your show right now.
Yeah.
Okay, hypothetically, which of you guys would be Krasinski?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. I think the audience is going to agree with me here that neither of you guys would be Krasinski. Okay? If anyone, out of the people involved in this show, out of the two performers, and then me, the director, out of us, and maybe you can even move Tom in there, the person who's going to be Krasinski is going to be me. Okay, I've got the energy of kind of Krasinski, I've got the classic handsome, and in addition to that, I live currently in Carroll Gardens, where I think he resides.
All right, Brandon. Sorry.
That's totally fine. That's absolutely
I
fine.
didn't mean to make you.
You didn't mean to what?
You're Krasinski. I'm sorry.
Yeah,
Okay, well, I
Sorry,
didn't
I'm
need you
sorry.
to confirm that. Okay, well, what else do you guys have?
Come up with something else.
Game show. Now, I could tell you the importance of being yourself, or tell you to follow your dreams, or even speak about the importance of eating more kale. But I'm not going to do any of that. I want you to leave here today with one small action. Something each one of you can go home and immediately try. So here we go. If you walk up to a window AC unit, you turn around, pull down your pants, spread your butt cheeks, that cold air shoots right up your butt. And it feels really good and cools you down. Now, this isn't some weird, it's not a sexual thing, all right? This isn't a fetish. There's no FetLife page about this. It's quite simply a great way to cool down. And it is appropriate to do it in a school or office setting. So, when you graduates you're at your first job, right? And you're coming home from a lunch break. It's a hot summer day. And you go back to your office and put your naked butt against that AC unit, that window, and then a coworker barges in, right? And takes a cell phone video and then tries to blackmail you with it. They can't, right? They don't have a foot to stand on. Because it's not a sexual thing. You wouldn't get mad at an elephant for using its trunk to spray water on itself, right? So why would you be mad at a human for doing something equally natural? This is the way we will all cool down. This is where humanity is going.
All right, Tom, there's nothing sexual. Cut the music, Tom.
What?
No.
What?
You already got fired for one job. You're not going to get fired from an anxiety job. You know what? It is sexual.
It's
and
not.
People talk to you.
It's not sexual.
And also, above everything else, it is on FetLife. And there's a picture of you on FetLife. And it says, hey, the only thing I like more than spreading my butt cheeks in front of an AC is having somebody watch me spread my butt cheeks in front of an AC.
That's not me.
So we've done a lot of research. We've got a little thing called DatingBot 5000.
and it's a video simulation that helps us take part in a little game we like to call, Are You Good at Dating?
Volunteer, re-volunteer. Oh, yeah. Yeah, all right. So as Toph said, it is a video simulation, but we're just going to be doing the audio simulation part of it today.
So, it's just going to start, and then you just get into it and respond, but it will start. Are you ready?
Really
Also,
nice to
what
meet
is
you.
your name?
I'm Chris.
Sean. And I don't know if I'm ready, but I guess so.
Cool. Tom, can we restart that?
Hey, it's really nice to meet you. I'm Christopher. What's your name?
Sean. It's nice to meet you too.
That's such a great name. Yeah, I like to do things that are fun. What do you like to do?
I like to do fun things too, and I like to read books and play music.
Oh, that's crazy. Me too. I need to bring something up just because it's been an issue in the past, and I think it's just one of those things, two people who maybe have a connection like it feels like we might, should get out of the way, and then nobody gets hurt later on if this is an issue. And this is that a lot of people say a lot of nasty things about Freddy Got Fingered. And I disagree with that. I actually think it's one of the best comedies of all time. Hey, just hear me out, all right? Just calm down, take that look off your face. It's got a great cast. You got Rip Torn, who's really one of the best actors of this generation, really just one of the best actors ever. You got Amy Smart. Anyways, if this is an issue for you, I think, actually maybe before you decide, just hear me out. I'm sorry, just hear me out. You could re-watch it if you have watched it before, but watch the whole thing. I think enough people don't give it a chance. I don't think they watch the whole thing through with an open mind of like, is this funny? And it's a different kind of humor, you know what I mean? So they're not familiar with it, and I think you just need to be open to like, hey, was that funny? Because I think I like to be with open-minded people. Hey, don't be offended. I'm not saying you're not open-minded. I'm just suggesting that you should think about it. You know what? I'm sorry. I had a really good feeling for this at the beginning when I was all like, "Hey, I'm Christopher," and you were like, "Hey, but right now I think I actually have to go."
You are bad at dating!
Oh, stop break.
Oh, great. Which better object than that?
There was this kid, Sahim. He lived in a village in the Korangal that we were patrolling.
He'd take your picture, and then he'd charge you $10 for it. Not a bad racket, actually.
Oh my god, they're
He
doing
died
it.
in a crash.
Oh, they're doing it. The Jack Ryan.
We were extracting this family.
Oh my god, you're Cincy.
They had been marked as collaborators by Italian. They would have been killed immediately if we hadn't relocated them. And Sahim just kept begging me to take him with us. He was an orphan, so he just said he wanted to go someplace safe, someplace away from all this shit. At least that's what he said. I made the decision to put him on the helio. Okay, now we're Kathy, Jack Ryan's girlfriend, not at the beginning.
The dating game show that's impossible to win?
No, hold on, Megan. That is not impossible to me.
Let's, why don't we
Tom, give it up.
show her?
Hey, it's really nice to meet you. I'm Christopher. What's your name?
Brian and Toph.
That's such a great name. Yeah, I like to do things that are fun. What do you like to do?
Watch Freddy Got Fingered.
You are good at